Welcome. In this video I will show you how to make shit in the nature. I decided to make this video because always when I'm going to the forest I see white toilet papers like here and the shit. So in case it's a big festival or something, and then it looks very bad. So first I'm going to find a stick. For example, this one should be fine, or maybe this one. No, that one, that was better. Now I find nice place for make a sheet. For example, here. The ground is very soft, so I don't need to dig too much, and as well the stick has to be not very hard. Alright, so I put it there. Well done, the sheet is placed. In case you don't have toilet paper, it's good to use just leaves or water and your fingers. And now, very simple, just put the ground back and put a little bit more, because after it will be like shit mine when it's not too much. Somebody slap on it and surprise is done. And now the smell is not so bad and it looks better and everything is better. Even I feel better.